guys, welcome to another vlog, and in today's video I'm going to speak in English because alam nyo na, maybe we have some foreign friends and subscribers. So I would like to thank everybody who supports our vlogs, especially that we have reached 500 subscribers. Thank you very much, guys. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I prepare a green juice using celery, spinach, and I'm also going to add a little bit of apple and a dash of lemon juice. Okay, first off, we got this celery. Now you have to unwrap that plastic, and okay, I'm having a struggle in that part. Okay, struggle is real. So what I did is I just pulled it off, and ta-da! It's out. Okay, now in that part you're going to cut off the lower part in which you can see some roots on it. So I set that aside because I'm going to plant that after, and hopefully it's going to grow so that I can have my own celery garden. Char. Okay, now next up, what I did was I separated the what do you call that? The leaves from the stalk, because I'm only going to use the stalk of that celery. Cut it. Cut it. Okay, there you go. Now you can see those thin slices of stalks. So basically, I have seen in YouTube that I think it's from the other countries. So their celeries is huge, fat, and it's bigger in size. But what is only available in our supermarket here in Cebu, or specifically in Talisay where I live, is these very thin but long stalks. So I hope I get a lot of juices out of these stalks. Okay, now I am trying to cut those stalks into equal sizes so that I will not struggle when I put it in the juicer. Okay, I'm still cutting it out. Now I guess I'm done. Okay, on to the next step we go. Okay, what I am doing here. Alright, so since these stalks are basically near the roots, which has earthy soils in those parts, so it's very important to clean it up. And also, yeah, I'm basically using the knife to clean some parts that is maybe not good or in short some dirt in those stalks. Okay, it's very important to clean these stalks before you put it in a juicer. Now these are clean stalks already. Okay, so as I have said earlier, these stalks are thin and long. So since the juicer has only very small opening part where you put the vegetables, the fruits that you will extract juice it from, so I cut it into small pieces. Oh, I love this part. I really love cutting. I love using the knife and the chopping board, and it feels like I'm a really good chef. Okay, so in this part, you have seen in the first step that I removed the leaves of these celeries. So what I did is I wash it clean. Okay, yeah, like that. Wash it really good. Have a good bath, you leaves. Okay, then afterwards, I'm going to put it in a clean container. I set that aside because I'm still going to research about what I can do with these leaves. Okay, now onto the fridge you go. Now we are going to the next thing that I'm going to add in this green juice, the spinach. Okay, so since spinach is just leaves, I'm just going to wash them off clean, have a good bath of it, and yeah, wash it really good. Okay, there you go. Feeling good, feeling clean, feeling fresh. Okay. Alright, so what I did to those leaves is I cut it off from the stalk because I'm just going to use those spinach leaves. Okay, now I'm going to harus it. In Bisaya, magharus. There you go. Okay, so I'm cutting it into pieces of leaves and then it's ready. Okay, so my veggies are ready. No, that's my juicer right there. So first I put the spinach. As you can see, oh, that's a bad angle. Okay, that's good now. Yeah. Yeah, so earthy. I can smell the earthiness of those spinach leaves. Okay, now I'm going to have another angle. Okay, so that's the extract and the juice of those spinach. Now there's not much juice out of it. Okay, next up I'm going to put the celery stalks. Okay, so wait till there's something going out that funnel right there. Yes, that's the juice of the celery. Oh, I wonder how it tastes. But for sure, this is really good for our body. We have to be healthy. We have to strengthen our immune systems, especially during this pandemic. Okay, choosing right there. Choosing. Yes, get the juice out of it. Okay, so I guess that would be all for the choosing. Now, this is the juice that I extracted from those veggies. So it's basically just 200 ml. So earthy. Okay, so I'm going to serve this in two parts because the one's for my mom and the other is for my papa. So earthy. That's a real green juice, guys. Okay, so before I serve it, I added some lemon juice. Focus. Okay, there you go. So I just manually twist it in my hands and extract some lemon juice. Okay, there you go. That's going to add some flavors on it. Okay, and to the other glass we go. Add some lemon juice. Don't forget the lemon juice. So guys, if I did something wrong in this recipe or the way I choose, excuse me to those master juicer, but this is just my experiment and it's ready to drink. Okay, now I'm going to get some feedback to my mama and papa how it tastes. Wait for it. Okay, so did you drink the green juice? First, how does it taste?
Good.
Good. How do you feel inside your tummy?
Okay.
Okay. Does it taste bitter like pait?
No.
How about like dahon?
Look.
Aslom? Aslom, ah?
It tastes like tomato juice.
Oh, that's good. Do you know what I add on it?
Like kamyas.
Kamyas? What's kamyas?
Kamyas
Iba.
iba.
Ah, okay.
Tastes like the leaf of iba.
So I add spinach, celery, apple, and lemon.
That's why.
Yes, that's why it's aslum. But it's good. So tomorrow I will make again. Okay?
Thank you. What is the
I hope
effect?
every day.
Oh,
What's
every day.
What's the effect to us?
It's going to strengthen your immune system so that you will not get sick.
Okay, thank you. I hope that is true.
True.